Are you planning a trip with friends or got a big event coming up? Now you can easily share all the details using WhatsApp's new event feature. To share it, just open WhatsApp, select the group you want to share with. Now click on the attachment icon and just tap on the event icon. Enter the event name. Now enter the description of the event. Select the date of the event. Just to check it if it is working or not, I'm selecting the current date and time. Select time from here. You can also add the end time of the event from here. Now enter the location of the event. If you want the WhatsApp calling, then check this option and select the call type. And just hit the share button and all set from here. Now all the group members will receive a notification about the event at the time of the event. They can check it on the group chat. Tapping the event, a page will open. You can add the date and time of the event to your Google Calendar. Just tap on the add to calendar option and save it. And here you go. You can respond if you are going to the event, select the going option, otherwise not going. When a group member responds to the event, the creator will receive a notification that whoever is going to the event or not. And just like that, you're all set. Send it to your friend or family group and make your event planning super easy with WhatsApp.